says, oh, check the reactions now. Not ready to die, not yet. Hold me out the train wreck. Pull me out, pull me out, pull me out. So if you're lonely, darling, you call me. If you're lonely, come be lonely with me.
Tell all your friends that I'm crazy and drive you mad, that I'm such a stalker, a watcher, a psychopath, and tell them you hate me and dated me just for laughs. So why do you call me and tell me you want me back, you maniac?
Now I'm running with you, so I'm trying to meet your mama on Sunday. To make love on Monday. Loving on us, babe. 'Cause I'll be switching up positions for you.
So clear my pussy, but don't clear my emotions. You spend some money, then maybe I just might fuck you. Wanna shake that ass and do shit in slow motion. I'm using your shirt as a pillowcase. I wanna ruin our friendship. We should be lovers instead. I don't know what to say this, 'cause you really my dearest friend.
Thing you wanna do is, yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah, that didn't work out. Yeah, that didn't.
No, wait. That one actually did work out.
Oh, and they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left hand man.
Hi everybody, so I went to the mail and my mini poppet arrived, so I'm going to be opening it up with you guys. Okay, so I got some of it open, so let's open it up now. And also, this little metal thing right there is actually a keychain, so you can put it right there. Okay, so I just got it open and this is going to be my first try. This is like amazing. I did not expect it to be this good, guys. Overall, 10 out of 10. I definitely recommend to buy this, especially if you travel to a lot of places. This is a really good thing that you can just hang up here with a keychain and bring around. Bye, hope you have a great day. Hi everybody, I just came back from Learning Express and Lakeshore, and I'm going to be showing you what I got. So first I got this dimple digits from Learning Express. Then I got this dimple duo from Lakeshore. Then I got this dimple from Learning Express. Then I got these 5 normal needles from Learning Express. Then I got these 4 needles from Lakeshore. Then I got a globby from Learning Express. Last of all, I got this stress ball from Learning Express. Bye, thanks for watching, have a great day.
What does the blue button do?
I don't know. Let's see.
Cleaning my rubber fidgets. Okay, now that the water is filled, I'm going to start with my poppets. Okay, so I added some soap as you can see, and now I'm just going to try to mix them all. Now that they're all clean and washed, I'm going to start drying them. Now I got all the poppets out of the water, now it's time for them to dry. Time to put the dimples in. Now it's time for the dimples to dry up. Last of all, my pea poppers and my spiky sensory balls. Time for them to dry. Bye, thanks for watching.
I'm gonna give you all my love in the backseat. Bubble, pop, electric, bubble.
bored. Let's go inside and find people to trade with. OMG, is that a giant puppet? Can I offer, please? I guess, but what do you have to offer? Well, I only have this simple dimple. Sorry, but I need more than a simple dimple. I suggest to go fidget hunting. Oh, okay, I'll go fidget hunting. But will you still be here? Yeah, I'll be here for like 2 hours. That's plenty of time. Bye! I'll see you in a bit. Okay. I better go find some fidgets fast. Let's start in the room. I heard there are lots of fidgets there. OMG, an Among Us poppet and a whale poppet. This is my lucky day. Let's put these over here. And let's go find some more. I'll put my simple dimple there too. Well, there usually are some hidden ones, so let's look under the bed. I found one! This one's so cool. It's a simple dimple too, and a fidget spinner. Let's put that there. Okay, I'm gonna check in the sink. There's none in here. Maybe there's some in the shower. Let's see. A poppet! I'll put that here for now. Okay, I don't see any more in the shower. Oh, wait! This is really, really good. Now let's put these back in the collection. This is my fidget collection so far. Now let's go look for a dimple! Added that to the collection. Let's see if there's any more back here. Nope. I'm gonna look a little around the hotel. I found some! Whoa, this is super cool. And this! Let's add these to the collection. Alright, I think we're done looking. Let's go ask her if we can trade now. Okay, time to go. Let's pack my stuff and leave. Wait, I have an offer now. Whoa, I'll do it. Okay, here you go. Take my stuff, please. I really need it. Whoa, thanks. Eek, thank you so much. Bye, thanks for watching. Hi everybody, and in this video I'm going to be showing you fidgets to bring on a car ride. And by the way, sorry for my voice, I'm having a bit of allergies. First off is tangles, because tangles are really entertaining and they don't make a lot of noise. Next is marble and meshes. They're really good, especially if you're car sick, and again they make no noise. Fidget spinners are also a great option to bring on car rides. Although watching the fidget spinner twirl might make you a bit carsick. Well, that's what it does for me, but if you're not carsick, they're great. Next we have fidget cubes. Fidget cubes are really good for cars. Just make sure not to use the very loud ones. For example, this one's really loud. But then a lot of them are not loud at all. Roller rings are great too. Mini slingies are also really great. My favorite one to bring on a car ride is an infinity cube because it makes me less carsick. Wacky tracks are an option too, but they are a bit loud. So if you're with somebody else in the car, I wouldn't recommend these. A zippy bracelet is also good. You can wear it as a bracelet and it's a great fidget. Last of all is spiky balls. I really love these. Thanks for watching. Bye! Also guys, thank you so much for 90K. Thank you! By the way, at 100K, I'm going to be doing a bunch of shoutouts. So comment down if you want a shoutout at 100K. Fidgets to bring to in-person school. First of all is a tangle. They're the perfect size and they are pretty silent. They're not that loud and they're not as big as poppets, so you don't need to worry about fitting it in your backpack. Another option is mini mesh balls because they are pretty tiny. They're not as big as normal mesh balls, as you can see, and they are a lot easier to squish, plus these don't really pop. In my opinion, I think a marble and mesh is the best way to go because they are honestly so silent you can't even tell you're playing with it. Plus, they are pretty small, but they're not as small as mochis, so you won't lose them. Last of all, a shaggy needle ball. Their texture feels amazing, and I haven't really heard that these pop much because I never heard of anybody saying that their needle popped. Bye, thanks for watching. Comment down some more video ideas you guys want to see. Hi everybody, so I ordered a giant poppet and let's do some unboxing. Oh my goodness guys, this is a lot bigger than I thought it would be. In the photo it didn't show this big. Anyway, let's open it up. I got it open, let's take our first pops. Alright. Guys, I really like this poppet. It feels so nice, but it's so big. Like, this is the size of my hand compared to it. Like, this is a simple dimple compared to this poppet. Eek! I'm gonna pop it in fast motion. That was a lot to pop. By the way, I got this for $16 on Amazon. Bye.
I admit it's exciting, but for me gonna like it. But before I leave you on, tell me what's your motive.
Hi everybody, so these are all the fidgets that I got for Easter, and I'm very grateful for all of these, so please don't hate. So first I got this fidget toy set, which I'm going to be opening in another video. These two spiky DNA balls. These two regular DNA balls, although this one already popped. This glitter putty pack. This orange octagon poppet. This teal heart poppet. And last of all, this pink whale, which is probably my favorite of all so far. Thank you so much for watching, and happy Easter if you celebrate Easter. Bye! All the fidgets I got for Christmas, part 1. First, I got Globals, the 16 pack, and I will do an opening video with you guys on another video. Then I got these magnets. I really like these magnets, actually. They're like my favorite. Then I got this fidget pad. There's actually a lot of things you could do on it. Then I got this dead fish. I really like it, actually. There's like slime inside of it. Then I have this puzzle ball that is rainbow. I really actually like this, except I honestly don't even know how to solve the puzzle. I just got it. Last of all for this part is an infinity cube. I really like this, except it's kind of hard to do with one hand. I hope you guys have a happy holidays and stay safe with your family. Have a great day. Merry Christmas. Bye. Come back for part 2.
Tell me if you're really there.
Real hot girl shit.
Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Tell me if you're really there. 'Cause I can't get it out if you won't be here next year. Feeling Christmas all around. Trying to play it cool.
I think of you sometime, and I want to spend some time with you. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try.
Check my next. Baby, how you feeling?
Just the two of us. Feeling castles in the sky.
Keep it moving, yes, Lord. Trying to get some new
You
shit
and I.
in there. Swimwear, going to the pool sheet. Come now,
We
come
look
dry
for
your
love.
eyes.
Guess what just came in the mail today? My poppets! Let's open it up. 5 hours later. Alright, I managed to open it. So yeah. Woo! I'm so excited. These are mungus shaped. Whoa. This comes with 4. I'm not joking. I literally thought it came with like 1 because like it showed all these 4 colors, but I thought it came with like 1. Definitely 5-star already. Now let's open. I got them open and I didn't even pop them yet, so let's go. Take them out like this. Let's start with this rainbow one. Nice! I rate this one a 7 out of 10. Next one. I rate this one a 9 out of 10. These both 8 out of 10.
Ready for the green light. You might need to sleep up when I'm riding. I'ma leave it open like a door. Come inside.
Body crazy, curvy, wavy, big titties, little waist. Body crazy, curvy, wavy, big titties, little waist.
Hi everybody, sorry for the bad lighting, but I just came back from Walmart and I got an Icasa ball and I got 5 packs of bars. And I'm going to be opening them with you guys. I got the bottom open. Guys, I got it open and I love this. It is so cool. I rate this definitely a 9 out of 10. I really like this actually. Next, the 5 pack of ASMR bars. Okay, so I got this part of the top off. Okay, let's get the first bar open. Okay, this is the first one. I actually love this. 10 out of 10. I love the noise and I love the feeling. Next one. I got the next one open. This one's actually pretty nice. I rate this one a 8 out of 10. Okay, this is the last one for this video. Then I'm going to make another video. Okay, I got it open and I absolutely love this. 10 out of 10. Come back for part 2. Bye.
I'm too emotional. Your apathy is like a wounded soul. Maybe I'm too emotional. Or maybe you never get it all. You look happy and healthy. Not me if you ever cared to ask. Good for you, you're doing great out there without me, baby. Like a damn sociopath. I've lost my mind. I've spent the night crying on the floor of my bedroom. But you're so unaffected, I really don't get it. But I guess good for you. For you, I guess you moved on really easily.
China, I tell all my niggas, cut the check, bust it out, turn your goofy down. Pow, I'ma do splits on it, yeah, splits on it. I'm a bad bitch, I'ma throw bits on it. I'ma bust it open, I'ma go stupid, get bits on it. I don't date, honey.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, you bitch. Yeah, bitch, hit that house, they tell me is you with it, you bitch.
Hi everybody, so my packages came from Amazon and I'm going to be opening them up with you guys. So I already tried to open up this one a bit, but I'm going to open it fully with you guys. So I ordered 24 wacky tracks and I ordered 72 emojis. Okay, so I got some of the wacky tracks out and they feel so nice. 10 out of 10, I definitely recommend these. They make the best noise. Now let's open up the 72 emoji pack. OMG. That is a lot of emojis. How many emojis? Like, that's so much emojis, guys. By the way, I paid with all of these with my own money. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.
No mientras estamos conectando y me prendes aunque no me estés tocando.
Hi everybody, my packages just came from Amazon and I'm going to be opening them with you. First I'm going to be opening this 8-pack of popping pipes from Bunmo. Okay, we got them open. Let's see how they feel. Oh my goodness, they feel so good. I rate this a 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. Next we have the 4-pack of popping pipes from Bunmo. Let's open it up. Let's test them out. They feel really good. This is also 10 out of 10. Last of all for this video is the mini pop tubes. Let's get it open. Let's see how these ones feel. These feel actually even better than the actual pop tubes. I rate this in 100 out of 10. Come back for part 2. these are the recent homemade stress balls that I made. First is this pink one, and this is filled with soap. I actually really like this one because the liquid one is clear and this one is white because my soap is white, and it actually looks really cool. So yeah, I really like this one. Second is this one. This one is filled with small pasta, and I really love this one. I think it's my favorite homemade stress ball. Next is this purple one, and this one is filled with beans. And last of all, this one is a blue one that is filled with beads. I use rainbow beads, and it actually feels super nice and crunchy, and it has a great texture. Comment things down you want me to post, and I will try to post them all. Bye!
Heaven help a fool.